Hi everyone, my name is Simone. I'm a registered dental hygienist and a BURST ambassador. I wanted to talk to you today about the BURST Sonic Brush. This beauty right here. You can get white, black, or rose gold. They're all fabulous. I really loved when I busted it out that it had this diamond plating. Not only does it look pretty, but it gives a nice grip. It's lightweight. And it's quiet. You don't feel like it's vibrating all crazy. So I love there's no rubber on the brush handle that will wear out with continued use. Just excellent design in my opinion. But what really sets this brush apart from the competitors in the game is the brush head, how they designed it. You'll see that the bristles are long and tapered, so that multi-length bristle will clean really effectively in between your teeth and hard to reach areas like recession for those of us who are a little long in the tooth, but even for kids who have those big hunkin' adult teeth that come in and they need help reaching their gum lines. So it's great for all ages. But what you'll also notice is that the bristles are black, and that is because they are micro infused with nanoparticles of activated charcoal, which gives a natural antibacterial and also adheres to stain. And so that, coupled with the rubber X in the brush head right there, will help to remove stain and kind of polish and keep your teeth white. So there are just so many great features to this brush, but what's really great is that the company is amazing. They offer awesome support and customer service, a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk in trying this brush. And if you subscribe to their toothbrush replacement, which is every 90 days, which is what we recommend, so not only is it convenient, but it's really affordable. Their brush heads are affordable. But if you keep to that subscription, they'll give you a lifetime warranty on the brush. That's amazing because the industry standard is 2 years. So if you don't want to do the subscription for some crazy reason, they will do the 2 years, but it's just, I don't know. I feel like it's a win-win. So I wanted to show you how effective this is kind of compared to a manual brush. So I have a little disclosing solution. I'm going to mix that with a little toothpaste here and just kind of show you that when you use a manual brush, you're not really generating any power there. So if you switch, let me just wipe that off, to the BURST Sonic brush, get a little toothpaste on this guy, you will really see how effective this is at forcing the paste in between the teeth along with your saliva to give you a little in-between clean before you use your flosser or floss or water floss. You're already ahead of the game when you use this brush. So if you're interested, go to burstoralcare.com, enter my promo code GNURQN, or message me and I'll send you a direct link or answer any other questions you have. So I'll also list some of the other amazing features this brush offers below.